Alright, let's go check the scoreboard.
You got a 50.
Yeah, I got a 50?
That don't
I got
count.
like 3 50s. What are you talking about?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, I got 3 50s right off the back, 2 25s. Alright. 3 50s, right? 1, 2, 3. You see them? They're not circled.
150.
1, 2, 3.
175.
1, 2. Where's my last shot
225.
at? I shot 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wait, that's not 75, that's 25, so 150, 200.
I didn't miss one, did I? It's impossible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, unless you got in the same hole.
Man. No, there'd be some. I couldn't have got it perfectly in the same hole.
What if?
That's one, that's one, that's one, that's 3.
Oh, you're right. Okay. I got 3 25s and 3 50s.
150, 225.
225, right?
225, yep.
No. Wait.
325, so
Oh, yeah.
75.
225.
225, that's what you got. Chill out. It doesn't even matter, you already won.